on extraction if your paper slows your drawdown a little bit. Most of the brewing is done at this point already. It doesn't taste quite as good as a faster paper to me, but your results may vary. So one more quick thing. Most P60 videos will tell you not to pour directly onto the paper. You've always got to pour into the coffee or into that kind of slurry. They'll tell you this because they say that if you pour on the paper, the water goes through the paper, misses the coffee, and you dilute your coffee and it will taste bad. This is not true. In my testing, I poured solely on the paper. I aimed to miss the coffee through the entire brew. And what happened is that the water just ran down the side of the paper. And in doing so, it didn't disturb the coffee bed at all. In fact, it resulted in the single longest drawdown of any brew that I had, and as a result, a slightly higher extraction than the other brews, but it tasted really bad. Now at the end, when the cone has fully drained out, what you want to see is a nice flat bed of coffee. There will always be some fine pieces of